Hey guys, welcome back again, and let's start with today's Leetcode daily challenge, and let's see what we have got today. Okay, so we have count days without meetings. So you are given with the positive integer days representing the total number of days an employee is available for work starting from day 1. You are also given a 2D array of meetings of size n where meeting size is equal to start I to end I represent the starting and ending of the meeting I inclusive. Return the count of days when the employee is available for work but no meetings are scheduled. What? Is it really this easy? I mean, what the answer is 5 to 7, 3 days, and 1 to 3, 3 days, 6, and 9 to 10, 2 days, 8. 10 out of 8 of 10, 2 days are remaining. Okay, the only thing is the interval could be merged. Otherwise, this is a really easy question. I don't know why this is a medium question. This is like a really easy question. So see, the brute force can be just simply um, having a visited vector for each day, visited value in that vector. Like we form this vector visited for days, and initially all are unvisited. We go through all the meeting intervals, like we one by one we go through all the intervals, and whichever day we have, like 5, 6, 7 are there, 5 to 7 will run a loop, and we will make those day visited. At the last we will iterate once through this visited and see how many days are unvisited, and that's our answer. So that's a kind of brute force approach, but obviously we will not do that. We'll try to do it in an log n by the greedy approach by sorting the meetings array. So if we do this meetings dot, yeah, simply like sorting them on the basis of the start day. So 1 3 will be initial, then 5 7, and then 9 10. Okay, once we sort them out, after that we will start iterating through these queries only, and we will start with the day 1, and we will check at every time that if they are mergeable or not. If they are mergeable, we will do that. So yeah, like, let's get going with this because that's not a really hard question, so we can do that easily. Okay, let's, and answer is 0, and start is 1. Day 1, we will start with the day 1, right? Now we'll start with the queries of this meeting array. Okay, we have start and we have end, two values are there. So we'll do like this: answer plus equals to the max of 0 comma the start minus of the like it 0, the start of that interval, minus of the overall start. Okay, initially overall start is 0, so if it doesn't start with 1, overall start is 1. Okay, if it doesn't start with 1, like let's say the smallest interval starts with 3, then there are 2 days earlier, so 3 minus 1, 2 days will be answer, will be added, 2 days will be added to the answer. Okay, after that our start will be shifted. Start will be where? Start will be max of start and it 1 plus 1 and plus 1. Yeah, the start will be and plus 1. Like if the interval is 1 to 3, then the next start day is 4, because up to 3 there is a meeting. Okay, now we will start with 4, and at any time if temp if the start time becomes less than um, if the start time become greater than the days, means we have covered everything, and we will just break out. Isn't that right? Like, let's say let's try this because there is a overlapping. So 1 to 3 we will count. Initially answer will be 0. Fine. After that start will become 4. Start will become 4. Now next time we will again come answer plus is equal to max of, you see, we won't count negative things. That's why we have took this 0 here. Okay, because next time you can see the start is 2, but we have already counted up to 3, so that's why it will be 2 2 minus of 4. That will be negative. So answer, nothing will be added to the answer, and the start will be shifted to now 4 plus 1, 5. Now next time the start is 5, and there is nothing else left, right? So but there are days remaining even after that, so we have to add those days there. Okay, so we have the answer plus the remaining number of days after the start. So that will be max of 0 and days minus start plus 1. That will be fine, I guess. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, that is a really easy one. Fine. Yeah. I don't know like why this question is even in medium. That's a really easy question to do. I don't know what to explain in this. And this we just did it within 5 minutes. That's fine. Let's do something else then. Okay. Let's try this. What is this? 30 days of JavaScript. Okay. Let's try doing these easy things, obviously. Okay. I've already did that. That's nice. If I submit this. Okay, yeah, that's easy. That should be counted as done now. Yeah, counter. Have we done this? Yeah, we have already done this. See, simply every time we call this function, the value should be 1 plus incremented. Okay, so if we submit this, that's also done. Yeah, and the next thing is to be or not to be. Have we done this? No, we haven't done this. Okay, write a function expect that helps developer test their code. It should take in the value well and return an object with the following two functions, to be and not to be. So it will return a function. So we will do this, and one is to be. It will take a value, let's say value 1, and it will give us what if the values are equal, like 5 and 5 are equal, val is equal to val1, then it will return true. Fine. Else it should throw an error, correct? Else yeah, throw an error. It should be throwing an error that they are not equal. Yeah, so return, not return, okay, throw new error not equal. And the next thing is not to be, there will be value 1 again. So if the val is not equal to val1, it will return true, not to be. Okay, and else it will throw new error that is equal. Let's try. Error is not defined. Okay, val is not equal. If a val is equal to 1, then 2b will be returning true, else it will be returning not equal. So 5 to null. Okay, it should return an error, and second it should return not true, it should return So it should return not equal, okay, at the first thing. This is the thing. It goes for 2b. So the expression throws the error not null, not equal. Yeah, it actually does this. Um, what could be the error there? Okay. Wait. Are we doing this now? I guess. Yeah. So this is basically a keyword, or we can say function in JavaScript with a capital E, not small e. Counter to, let's see if we have done this or not. No, we haven't. Okay, for increment it will be returning the increment. For decrement it will return increment. For reset it will be reset to the initial value. So let's save the initial value firstly. Initial is equal to init. After that we will return a object. If we have increment here, it will be returning what? Init plus init plus initial basically. Yeah. For decrement it will be returning minus initial. Okay, that should be this. Yeah. And for reset it will be returning init again. What happened here? Okay, it should be returning initial, but now the initial is changed also. Initial, we have to reset it. Okay, so we should return this. Okay, we are not comparing, so it should be a single one. Let's see. Yeah, perfect. That's easy. Fine. So yeah, we have just did these easy things. Yeah, we can do these also, like to just practice JavaScript, even though I no longer work in JavaScript, but that's fine. That's the object-oriented language anyways. We'll learn the syntax at least. Okay, so that's it for today, because I just went to do this JavaScript question because the today's question was just so damn easy. I don't know. Um, no, that question was really easy. Like there was nothing medium about that. So that's it for today.